Your tires should last 40,000 miles. Most drivers are getting 20,000, half the life, gone. And the reason has nothing to do with the brand you bought or the road you drive on. It has everything to do with 4 things you are doing right now. My name is Marcus J. Cole. For 25 years, I worked as a master mechanic. I have changed more tires than I can count. I built Mr. Engine so you never waste money or risk your life on mistakes. I have seen 1,000 times. This channel is free. Every video, every hack, every warning, because the only thing more expensive than knowledge is ignorance. 1. Wrong tire pressure. This is the #1 tire killer on the road today. When your tire is underinflated, the sidewall flexes more than designed with every rotation. That flexing generates heat. Heat breaks down the rubber from the inside. The steel belts begin separating. You cannot see it. You cannot feel it until the tire dies at half its expected life. David, 49, drove a Chevrolet Silverado in Houston, Texas. His front tires wore out at 18,000 miles. Brand new premium tires. His pressure was 12 psi below the manufacturer recommendation. He had never checked it once. The fix: open your driver door and read the sticker on the door frame, not the number on the tire sidewall. That is the maximum pressure, not the correct pressure. For most cars and trucks, the correct pressure is between 30 and 36 psi. Buy a tire pressure gauge for under $2. Check all 4 tires cold once every 2 weeks. That is all it takes. Point 2. Wheel misalignment. This one is silent and invisible. Every tire has 3 contact angles: camber, toe, and caster. When anyone is slightly off, the tire does not roll straight. One edge grinds down 3 to 4 times faster than the other. Rosa, 42, drove a Toyota Camry in Los Angeles and replaced her front tires every 14 months. One alignment check revealed her front left toe angle was just 2 degrees out. Her next set of tires lasted 31 months. The fix: get a wheel alignment check every 12,000 miles or anytime you hit a significant pothole. It costs between $50 and $100 and takes 30 minutes. If your car is pulling to one side right now, do not wait. Every mile you drive that way is a mile of uneven destruction. Point 3. Hard braking and aggressive driving. Every time you brake hard, your tire resists the full momentum of your vehicle through friction alone. That friction comes directly off your tread as heat and rubber scraped permanently onto the road. Those black marks at traffic lights are tire rubber. Someone's tread depth on the tarmac. James, 53, drove a Ford F-150 in Chicago and replaced tires every year and a half. I rode with him for 10 minutes and counted 11 instances of hard braking. His tires were not wearing out. He was wearing them out. The fix: when you see a red light ahead, lift off the accelerator immediately. Let the vehicle slow naturally before applying gentle brake pressure. That one change extends tire life by 30 to 40%. Point 4. Your tires are aging and you cannot see it. Your tires can look perfect, full tread, no damage, and still be ready to fail. The rubber in every tire contains plasticizers that keep it flexible and grippy. From manufacture, those plasticizers begin to evaporate. After 5 to 6 years, the rubber becomes brittle. Cracks form in the sidewall. The structural integrity is gone, even when the tire looks fine. Check the .date code on the sidewall right now. It is a 4-digit number. First 2 digits are the week of manufacture. Last 2 are the year. Any tire older than 6 years, replace it regardless of tread. A blowout at highway speed is one of the most dangerous events that can happen to any driver. David came back to me 6 months later. He said, "Marcus, I check them every 2 weeks. I had no idea something that simple made that much difference." It does, every single time. 4 things: wrong pressure, bad alignment, hard driving, aging rubber. Which one were you not aware of? Drop it in the comments right now. Hit the like button, subscribe to Mr. Engine, hit that notification bell. I am Marcus J. Cole. This is Mr. Engine, and you are exactly the kind of driver this channel was built for. Let's ride.